Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to delete a shopping tag from a partner's post in Instagram. If you've mistakenly tagged a product or simply want to remove a shopping tag, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Locate the post that contains the product tag you wish to remove. Take a moment to navigate to that specific post. Step 3. Once you're on the post, tap on the product tag itself. This will bring up options related to the tag. Step 4. From the options, select Remove Tag from Post. Confirm your action, and voila! Your shopping tag has been successfully removed from the post. Removing a shopping tag is quick and easy, allowing you to maintain a clean and clutter-free presence on Instagram. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to delete a shopping tag from a partner's post in Instagram. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Happy tagging or untagging.